Arrange the following complexes in the increasing order of conductivity of their solution. Okay, they have given 1, 2, 3, 4 complexes. How to answer this? It's very easy. More the number of ions, more will be the conductivity. See, if you check, you can see. Here you can see only one particle, right? Only coordination entity and it is not charged. Okay, here you can see coordination entity is there, counter ion is there, 2 ions. Correct? Now here if you check coordination entity and 3 counter ion, 2 plus 1, what is that? Sorry, 3 plus 1, what is that? 4. 3 plus 1, okay, 4. Here 1 plus 1, 2. And here what you can see? 2 counter ion plus coordination entity. So what is that? Total 3. So if you are giving like name A, B, C and D, which one have maximum ions? C, right? So C, maximum number of ions, maximum conductivity. Then you can see D, right? This one. It have 3 ions. Then you can see here 2 ions, right? It is B. Then which one? Here you can see only coordination entity and it does not have a charge. Okay, least conductivity. Okay, more the number of ions, more will be the conductivity. That is the key, okay, for this question.